Hello, today I'm looking at parts 3 to 6 of the 1/8 scale DeLorean Time Machine from Fanhome. Now this section here has one of the signature DeLorean wheels to go onto the kit. You've got this lovely printed Goodyear Eagle GT tyre, and then you've got the solid metal wheels. Wheels are made of two parts. You've got the back here and then the front here, and they're screwed together in 3 places. There's also a little valve stem on there, so it's a really nice level of detail. As I said, they need to be screwed in 3 places, and then it will be screwed to the axle later on. You've got a little DMC logo to go in the middle of that, though do be careful as it can easily fall out. There we have it, really nice looking tyre. Now next we've got some of the Time Machine fuel cells. You've got 2 versions here, either the original nuclear plutonium cell chamber from the beginning of the first film, or the Mr. Fusion, which is added in 2015 at the end of the first film and is used in the second one. Now, I believe that this part here was actually a hubcap originally, but yeah, it fits together like so and screws in from the back. There's then a little clear piece of plastic to cover up the hole. And you put the little opening on top of that, which can be twisted and removed. Now for the Mr. Fusion, it screws together into little parts like this. Here you can see a real one. It was in fact a Krupp's coffee grinder that was repurposed. 3 screws go into the right hand side. I might cover these up later to make it look white all over. And then you've got a few different clear parts, including this. Here I think that this is where the coffee grounds would have gone in the original. This just clips into place. And the lid which goes on top, I'm going to glue this because it's not particularly secure. There you have it. The base here has a little hinge which gets clipped in and then screwed into place on both sides. And then that goes onto this cylinder like so. Screw on the coffee grinder. And there we are. Next there's a little hinge which goes on to clip it into place. There we are, nice and secure. Opens up nicely, spring loaded, and holds it in place. That's then all attached to this metal plate.
Go ahead, quick, get the car.
And there it is, just as it appears in the film. So you'll have the option whether to use the original power or the futuristic one. Finally, in set 6, it came part of the front suspension. These are all really nice solid metal parts painted in semi-gloss black. Squash down the spring so that this fits together, and then screw it in from the top. Then the wishbone goes on top of that, screw that in from both sides. I believe a lot of the suspension parts from the car was shared with the Lotus Esprit. Both cars were designed by Italian Giorgetto Giugiaro. Now the part of the axle here needs a little bit of a spring to keep it in place, so put that over this little cylinder, and then that gets attached to the discs like so. We'll have the possibility to flip these wheels down into hover mode, and then the caliper gets screwed on top of this. You can see that magnetizes onto there, so then attach it here at the bottom. As you can see, it hinges down, giving hover mode. The wheel will secure onto this like so later on. And there we have it. Really looking forward to the next part. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon.